As of January 3rd, 2025, the PiNetwork is on track to launch its open mainnet in the first quarter of 2025. The development team has extended the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process, setting a new deadline of January 31st, 2025, to allow more users to complete verification and migrate their tokens to the mainnet. This extension aims to increase user participation and ensure a more stable ecosystem upon launch. Currently, over 18 million users have completed KYC, with more than 8 million having migrated their tokens to the mainnet. The PiNetwork's open mainnet launch is anticipated to occur shortly after the KYC grace period concludes, potentially by January 31st, 2025. In a major step forward, the PiNetwork ecosystem has taken a major leap by transferring 1 billion coins to a dedicated wallet. The main purpose of transactions is to create a liquidity pool, which will make transactions easier for users, known as pioneers, and provide new opportunities for developers. Liquidity pools act as shared resources that simplify trading and exchanging assets, eliminating delays and reducing price fluctuations. For PiNetwork, this development ensures that pioneers can now make faster and smoother transactions without worrying about waiting times or a lack of available coins to trade. Additionally, liquidity pools help stabilize the coin's value, so users don't have to worry about wild price changes. Developers can use this liquidity to create exciting apps and services within the PiNetwork, making the ecosystem more useful and innovative. This step shows that PiNetwork is serious about becoming a big player in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Companies can now use Pi for transactions and partnerships more easily. Developers can create advanced financial tools and apps that run on Pi. From payments to advanced blockchain applications, the network will offer more services powered by Pi. Using Pi will be easier, faster, and more practical in everyday transactions. The coin's utility in real life is set to grow significantly. The liquidity pool is like a launchpad for building groundbreaking apps and services, giving Pi a stronger position in the blockchain world. By setting aside such a large amount of Pi for liquidity, the network is showing its dedication to creating a strong, stable, and inclusive ecosystem. This move is expected to attract more users, developers, and businesses to the platform,